Hi, everyone. Somebody asked me a question on page 381, number 13a. We're going to evaluate each expression, and it reads, we're going to evaluate 5 to the power of m, where m is equal to log base 5, 7. So first thing I'm going to do is perhaps I am just going to substitute m and see what that looks like. So 5 to the exponent log 5 with an argument of 7. I'm just going to put in brackets to make it a little bit nicer. Well, what does that equal to? Well, as a math teacher, I can do this all day long because I know that the exponent or the inverse of an exponent is a logarithm. And the inverse of a logarithm is an exponent. So base 5 to an exponent of a log base 5, these two essentially cancel each other out, which will yield an answer of 7. Pretty good, eh? But I know that as a math teacher, so how do I explain that? Now, it's not an easy task to explain, but they are inverse functions, so really the expression, since the bases are the same, your result will just be the argument of 7. But allow me to attempt to explain how that is. I'm going to say, I'm going to start off, sorry, if this can behave for me here. And it can't. So 5 to the exponent, log 5, with an argument of 7, I'm going to let that equal some value y. Now, I'm just going to let it equal to some value y. Now, here, it's going to be important. I'm going to do it, not a trick, but it is definitely going to be hard to see. So I'm just going to go down here as an aside, and I'm just going to practice my skill. And I know that anything b to the power of a is equal to c. I can write that in a logarithm as log b of c is equal to a. So changing the exponential form into logarithmic form, I can do. I'm going to do the exact same thing. Now, I'm just going to underline my logarithm, or my exponent. So I can say log with a base 5, and my argument is y, is equal to my exponent. And my exponent is log 5, 7. So if you take a look at the left-hand side, this is log 5 of some value y is equal to log 5, base 5, 7. That means that when they're equal, that y must be equal to 7. If you have any questions about this, let me know. Now, let's go back to here. Now, this was a lot of explaining here on the right-hand side, but if I take a look at the left-hand side, what is the takeaway here? The takeaway is that logs and exponents are inverse functions. Hopefully reaffirming this whole notion of logs and exponents canceling each other out, or when you want to figure out what an exponent is, logs are a great way to do it.